Yeah, on the way. Take that right. Just follow it all the way around. Go left. Always go left. Don't go right anymore. You always stay left. And don't take your right.